In this segment, we will show you guys the green sparkler experiment. Before we begin, if you do this experiment at home, make sure you have a parent nearby. We will have with us a beaker, a tea light candle, copper sulfate powder, a wood skewer, some regular tap water, and a lighter. Alternatively, you could buy the Mel Science Chemistry of Flame kit. 3 minutes ago, my sister lit this tea light candle. She will take her skewer and dip it into the paraffin, aka melted wax. This initial coat will serve as glue for the copper sulfate. We're going to be leaving it in the copper sulfate for about 30 seconds. When heated, the melted wax, or the wax melts and its vapors easily ignite. Copper sulfate is heated among the layers of burning paraffin. At high temperature, copper ions become unstable for a split second. She's dipping the skewer into the wax for a second time to seal in the powder. Skewer goes into the water so that it will cool down. Let's see what will happen when we hold it all over the flame. Wow.
That's pretty cool.
One interesting thing about this light is that its color is very specific to the kind of atom or ion that emitted it. That's why different metals tint the flame different colors. Zinc makes blue, copper makes green, etc. You can probably guess how they make fireworks in all sorts of different colors.